Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Coach Rob and
Shannon.
It's December 6, 2019. We're gonna try to make a unique pizza with some, I wouldn't call it leftovers, but we got some cheese. We got some partly skimmed mozzarella cheese that we used in the episode when we made the crab pasta, and we had some double cheese leftover cheddar cheese from when we did the chili. And in the cupboard I had some black olives, right, and I had some mushrooms from when I made a burger last night off camera. And we're going to actually do it on this unique Balady bread. Okay, so we'll get going. Okay, the first step we did is we're heating my Kenmore oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, what we're using to cook the pizzas on, we got a brand new Wilton dishwasher safe gourmet choice pizza pan, and it's the 14-inch one. It was on sale Canadian Tire last week on Black Friday weekend for like $8 or something like that, so it's a pretty good deal. The other one we had was kind of old but still usable, so we'll be right back. Okay, so we got our pizza sauce, and this is the bread we're using. What was it called again? We got to get the right name here. The bread is Balady bread. Now don't confuse that with Lady Delaney. Right? If you know who Lady Delaney is, please comment in the thing. I'm not going to tell you who it is, so you got to comment, everyone. And don't you answer it, okay? Because I know you want to answer it, like. Okay. So we're getting our pizza sauce on. I'm not sure how much to put on, like Shannon's going to say, like.
You have to coat the bottom.
Coat the entire bottom, eh, Charlie?
Coat the entire bottom with pizza sauce.
Charlie. So what we're going to do is, you can see the idea. We'll be back when we're putting the other ingredients on. Okay, Shannon's going to continue on and put some more. And as you see, when I did the first one, I put it too close to the edge. Right, and Shannon's going to show us how to do it better, like. There you go. Okay, as you can see, we're just going to heat up the mushrooms. The reason why we're doing that is they did come from a can, right? Slush mushrooms from Walmart in a can, and they're alright, but they're not the greatest. Next time I will get the proper mushrooms. So moving along over here, we are going to put both kind of cheeses on, because we got cheese, right? We got mozzarella cheese, right? And Shannon's going to let me know how I'm doing.
You're doing good.
Is that good, like? Is that close enough to the edge, or what?
Yep.
Okay. Then what we're going to do now is we're going to put some cheddar cheese on this one, right? Like, we're just showing the idea, like what we're doing, right? Then off camera we'll do the other ones up, right? Because we don't need to see us do 3 pizzas. So we're going to get some cheddar. This is from the episode when we did
Chili.
the chili episode. Yeah, maybe we'll just put like a bit less of this on. Like, we don't need a whole lot of that on. This is more for flavor, eh, Shannon?
Yeah.
So how's that look? Maybe a bit more up there?
That looks good.
That's good, eh?
Yep.
Okay, so we'll be back when we're further along. Okay, she wanted to do the other one. We wanted to show Shannon on the video putting that cheese on, and that's the mozzarella cheese.
Basically, you just sprinkle it like this.
Yeah.
I'll do some cheddar.
Yeah. And when she's getting the bag of cheddar, I'll whip over here and show you that we are still doing the mushrooms. And Shannon's putting the cheddar on.
Yeah.
Doing a good job. Oh, we want a bit more cheddar on that one, don't we?
You want a bit more cheddar?
Yeah.
On that one? Okay.
I think Charlie the cat.
Robbery of cheddar?
It was a robbery.
Robbery? Uh-oh. The cops are going to come after
Yeah.
me. Is that good for cheddar on that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, off camera, I just got our black olives and put it in the strainer that I got the other day, and it fit perfectly in the sink. That's kind of neat.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to get our other stuff ready. Okay, be sure to check out my other playlist. I banked around in Thrift Store Hunters with Rob and Shannon. Today, as you'll see, I picked up this unique little pair of tongs, right? And it's a bit easier to manipulate these and get it in, like, right? So as I'm going to switch to this side. We're going to tell you today that Jared Bain's shout out is going to actually, because we're going to the Royals game tonight, it's going out to all the behind the scenes people that work at the arenas, like throughout North America. Like, we all go to enjoy the game, but there's a lot of off ice crew, there's concession stand workers, there's security, there's medical staff. It's a huge shout out to all those people tonight because they don't get to see the game. Right, so we're going to continue on getting this, and next scene we'll be putting this on the pizzas. Pizza. As we're about to put our salami on, this is a $3 purchase from Walmart. Remember to like and subscribe this channel, right? And I have a new Facebook page now. It's called Cooking with Coach Rob, right? And you can like and comment there. And also, if you want to see us wear one of your hats in a future coming video, please contact me via my Facebook page. There's an email address in the how's this, Shannon? One more for each one?
Yep.
There's an email address that's in the in there, right under the About Me section, and same with my YouTube channel. Okay, so Shannon has suggested only put 3 on each, which is a great idea because that leaves me like some left over for another sandwich, for another meal. So we'll be right back in a sec. So continue on here. We're going to put some of the mushrooms on, right? And we're going to try to evenly. Well, I might put some on each pizza, then Shannon might go and even them out in a sec. Here is what we'll do. Right? Is that?
That's good.
You know, let Shannon even them out, like if she wants to, like.
Okay.
There's we got this one here, so I'm going to continue on this, and we'll be doing the black olives next. Chef Shannon's here is going to put the black olives on. And we're going to cook it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. We'll keep an eye on it, like.
Yeah.
Is what we'll do. So when we're at that step, we'll show you it going in the oven. It's going to be exciting, everybody.
Yeah.
And while you're waiting, please hit like and subscribe, like I said earlier. And dig out through your old closet and try to find a hat that you want to send to me. You can contact me via email. Thanks. Okay, we're going to set our kitchen timer for about 10 minutes. Did you say, Shannon, to start with?
Yeah.
Okay, then we're going to... We got our brand new pan here, right? And we're going to carefully put it in the oven. And we'll check back in about 10 minutes. Thank you. Okay, the timer's gone off, and they look, I think they're going to be done, so we're just going to change that off. That's cancel, soft clear. I'm going to take it out and see what Shannon thinks. So what do you think, Shannon?
Oh, do they ever look good? Yes, they do.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to enjoy our pizza. We're going to have 1.5 pizza seats, and we're going to go to the Royals game tonight. Then I'll see you in the studio later with a complete wrap-up of not only the Royals game, how the pizza turned out. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone. I just got back from the Royals game. I dropped Shannon off at her apartment, and it's the wrap-up of the pizza we made, the pre-game meal. And actually, it was very tasty and pretty good. The only things we'll do a bit differently next time is we'll use real mushrooms instead of the ones from the can, because I just happen to have some left over from the can from the other day. And of course, the Victoria Royals playing the Western Hockey League of the Major Junior Hockey League played Seattle Thunderbirds tonight, and they came up short. They played a good effort, but they lost 4-1. So that's it for this episode of Cooking with Coach Rob. We hope you enjoyed this episode. And like we always say, please like and subscribe to get notified of future videos. And in the future, we may not be doing it every day like this. We're going to try to do maybe one a week or 2 a week. I know we're at a rapid pace now, but we just want to get exposure to the channel, which is has its own Facebook page now. I'm not sure if you know that. If you go to Facebook and search Cooking with Coach Rob, we can see you have our Facebook page there, and we're going to link to our upcoming videos there as well. Okay, so have a great night everyone, and we'll see you soon.